आगे मत जाइए।
पंकज यहाँ आधा वो नहीं थी
अरे किधर क्या कर रहा है? मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ?
सिनेमा का थोड़ा फिल्में दिखाते हैं, एक और तरह का सिनेमा दिखाते हैं, एक ऑडियंस देखती है और ये पता लगता है उनको कि ये हर तरह की फिल्में होती हैं, हर तरह का एक्सपीरियंस होता है और एक ऑडियंस तैयार भी होती है अलग तरह के सिनेमा के लिए। I really love it. I think it's fantastic. And मैं अक्सर जाता हूँ इन लोगों के साथ, कभी लखनऊ, कभी आगरा, कभी चंडीगढ़, कभी जयपुर, रांची, हर जगह जहाँ जहाँ जाते हैं I'll always go because I like the idea of एक traveling festival जो है।
और सर एक सवाल आपसे बनता है सर, क्योंकि आप हमेशा सोशल मुद्दे
नहीं, वो मैं जागरण
के ऊपर ही सर
जागरण का सवाल ये है कि
सर जागरण के ऊपर ही सवाल है कि हर कोई जाग रहा है आज की डेट में और इंडियन आर्मी भी
बड़ा समझदार है।
इंडियन आर्मी भी जाग चुकी है सर। जो खबर आपको भी मिली होगी सर, उस पर एक रिएक्शन, एक प्रतिक्रिया सर।
नहीं देखिए,
बुम नीचे प्लीज थोड़ा सा
जहाँ तक हिंदुस्तान को डिफेंड करने का सवाल है और जहाँ तक आपकी जो टेरिटरी है उस पर अगर कोई हमला बोले तो उसका जवाब देना, मैं और इंडस्ट्री के सारे लोग इसको बहुत ही सही मानते हैं और हम पूरी तरह से सरकार के इस जवाब के साथ, ये कोई बात ही नहीं हुई। हम ये चाहते होंगे कि प्यार हो, भाईचारा हो, हम लोग एक साथ बैठें, आर्थिक प्रगति हो, कल्चरल एक्सचेंज हो, लेकिन अगर नहीं होगा और सामने से कुछ प्रहार होगा तो उसको जवाब तो देना ही पड़ेगा, है कि नहीं? ऐसे तो नहीं है, तो एक तो फिर कायरता हुई अगर नहीं दिया जवाब। तो अगर जवाब, मैं आर्मी का कोई एक्सपर्ट नहीं हूँ, लेकिन बहुत सही है अगर आपने कोई स्ट्राइक की है और आपने कोई प्रीएम्प्ट किया है कुछ जो हो सकता था, जो मुमकिन हो सकता था। अगर कोई कैंप है जो यहाँ पे हमला बोलने वाले थे और अगर उनको आपने रोक लिया और आपने पहले ही उन पे धावा बोल दिया, तो बहुत सराहना करूँगा। ये देखो फिर see, it's a complicated question, but I think culture is see, I mean, you cannot hold an American actor, for instance, responsible for every action of the American government, right? You cannot, there are a lot of artists who dissent, right? That those artists should also speak against wrongs in their own country is also a valid point. There's a validity that they should also say. Just as we talk of peace, they should also talk of peace, right? So, I mean, I think, for example, so many people work with Nusrat Saab, right? Who's, I mean, amazing musician. So, and so if there is an actor who, a director wants to cast who suits his part, and if he's culturally right and suits the part, I think it'd be good if these kind of exchanges stay on. It's also very good that our films release in the neighboring country, which is specifically Pakistan, and in Sri Lanka, and in Philippines, and in Korea, and in China. For example, the business of PK in China is huge. So it's opening up a whole market. And a point of view of India also, what is I mean, the Hindi film industry and the Indian film industry is a cultural ambassador. So it presents the genius, the cultural diversity, the ability, the stories of India. And therefore, in a sense, like the American cinema promotes a lot of American stuff. Therefore, Indians are cultural ambassadors, and I think it's wonderful that our films are shown everywhere. And I think if that conversation continues, it's good, right? That said, I mean, if there is attacks, we are all with the Indian government, There's no question. It's not even so a lot of people will say, why don't you speak? The fact we are Indian, we speak. We are always, the industry has always stood by, and we are always, but I mean, we personally, an artist's desire is for peace. That's your desire as an artist. An artist's desire is for understanding, right? An artist's desire is for a resolution of conflict, right? So that is an artist's desire, but if there are, it's not as simple as that, and if there's a problem, then, you are of course with the government, and to defend our land is absolutely of primary importance.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
इसका तो रुको मैं मैं कल बहुत ही नर्वस थी और बहुत एक्साइटेड पहली बार फिल्म फ्रेटर्निटी से मेरे दोस्त, मेरे कलीग्स, मेरी फैमिली, मेरे मॉम और डैड के फ्रेंड्स, मेरे फ्रेंड्स आए टू वॉच Mumbai Varanasi Express as the opening screening at the Jagran Shots. So I was feeling so thankful to the Jagran Film Festival having chosen my film as the opening screening, and I think it's great that I got this opportunity. It's a great platform that people could actually come and watch it in Mumbai, क्योंकि ये अगर screening कहीं और होता, मतलब abroad या कहीं और मुंबई में नहीं, तो इतने सारे लोग, मेरे अपने लोग नहीं आ पाते. The whole crew was here, so it was a very, very special day, considering that it's my first film, my first short film, of course, but the first it's always very, very special. Yeah.
Best compliment
Reviews बहुत अच्छे आ रहे हैं. Right after the screening of the film, there was silence for almost 2 minutes, and I think it took some time for people to digest it, and then they all clapped. So it was a good feeling. और फिर जब मैंने उनको there was a question answer Q&A session that happened, and I was waiting for the questions to come, and then there was one man who got up from his seat and he said, Aarti, आपने हमारे 30 सवाल के जवाब दे दिए बिना पूछे, तो हम आपको क्या सवाल करें. So I think the film is something that will touches people's hearts and reaches out. I think the film really has a soul, and I'm sorry I'm saying this about my own film, and I should not be praising my own film. I think लोगों को ये लगना चाहिए, कहना चाहिए, but I'm only repeating what I heard yesterday. So I'm overwhelmed, and I'm extremely thankful and humbled by the response yesterday. जी हाँ, I think it was about time that our government rolled up their socks on this matter. I think terrorism is not something that should have been taken not lightly. They've not been taking it lightly, of course, but we've not been so aggressive in our approach. We've not actually ever been in attack mode. We've always been on the back foot. We've always been the ones defending ourselves. I'm glad that the government has taken such a step, because what happened with our jawans जो शहीद हुए हैं हमारे लिए border पे without knowing, सोते वक्त, not taken by us. Being Indians, I am extremely patriotic, and for me, my country, my motherland is everything. And when something like that happens, I think उनको जवाब मिल जाना चाहिए, और अब मिला है तो very good.
और इसी पे पाकिस्तानी जो आर्टिस्ट है जिनको बोला गया उसके बारे में आपका क्या कहना है, जो धमकी MLS ने दी है?
I'm not for धमकीज and all that. Artists होते हैं, और you cannot mix, the two things. I don't think कि मुझे इस मुद्दे पर कुछ कहना है, but मैं ये ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगी that I don't think we should categorically, be against or say something against somebody from the industry or artist just because they are, soft targets, and it's easy for us to, say something about them. क्योंकि वो मीडिया में है तो मैं उन लोगों के बारे में एक्चुअली उन लोगों ने एक्चुअली तो कुछ किया नहीं है. जिन लोगों ने किया है, जो टेररिस्ट हैं, सारे पाकिस्तानी तो टेररिस्ट नहीं हैं. जो हैं उनको जवाब मिलना चाहिए. Terrorism should stop. I'm not against Pakistan. I'm against terrorism. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.